Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to start your exercise 15.2 of chapter Introduction to Graph. So before start this exercise, I am do some revision of the previous chapter. Suppose if you have two axes, it is known as x, it is known as y, and the point line on this one is positive and this one is negative. So you have to write x and x dash, like that one y and y dash, and this divided into four quadrants is known as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, and you remember the point also, the what is the form of the point here? It is always plus plus, it is minus plus, it is minus minus, and it is plus minus. So you have to remember this one. And that one also, the point lies on the x-axis is px comma 0, and the y-axis point is px comma 0 lies on the x-axis and p0 comma y lies on the y-axis. Now come on the exercise. The point 0 comma minus 5, the first coordinate is what? 0. So the point lies on what? Y-axis na, but the y-axis value is minus 5, so it lies on the negative y-axis. So you have to write here on the negative y-axis this one, because the point is in the form of 0 comma y, then the point lies on what? Y-axis, but the y value is 0, then it will lie on negative y-axis. If the y value is positive, then it will rise on the positive y-axis. So your answer is lies on the negative y-axis. Okay. Now second one, the point minus 3 comma minus 4 lies in, remember this one, plus plus minus plus minus minus, then the minus minus lies in what? Third quadrant. So you have to write here third quadrant. Don't look at the value, just look at the sign only. Now minus 2 comma 0, the point is on the form of px comma 0, then lies on the x-axis na, but the x value is negative, so it will lies on negative x-axis. So you have to write here negative x-axis. Minus 6 comma 5, the sign is minus and second one is plus. In which quadrant this one lies? Plus plus minus plus, then it will lie on what? Second quadrant. So you tick on that A1, second quadrant. Question number 5, which of the following statement is true? The point minus minus is lies on second quadrant. On, you know, remember this one na, minus minus will lie on what? Third quadrant. So this one is false. The x-axis is a vertical line, wrong, because it is a horizontal line, so it is also false. The point minus 3 comma 4, minus plus will lies on second quadrant, so right here third quadrant is also wrong, false. And the origin is the point of intersection of the x-axis and y-axis, as I told you in the basic concept. Origin is the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis, so this one is right. So question is that which of the following is true? So you have to just tick on D1, that is one is true. Now plot the points, falling points in the Cartesian plane. Okay, you have to plot the point. So because now I am plot this point on a graph paper by drawing the graph on my notebook, but all of you draw this points on the graph paper only with the help of pencil. You are not allowed to use pen on a graph paper, always use pencil. And I am plot this point here on the notebook only, but when you plot you have to use graph paper. Okay. Now for on the graph paper, about graph paper I will told you in the next exercise, and I will solve all the question of the graph paper in the next exercise on the graph paper only. But in this exercise you have to understand this one on a simple notebook, but you have to draw this question or this point on the graph paper only. So on a graph paper, all of you know that one green graph paper, well, some small line are there, some boxes are there. This is known as a graph paper. So on that one you have to draw one line x-axis and that is y-axis. It is positive, negative, positive and downward negative. Now you plot the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that one 1, 2, 3, 4. It is negative, so write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and downward here negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. Now the question, you have to plot the point a 3 comma 2. So what is the value of x is 3 and it is positive, so positive come this side, so come on 3 here, and the y value is minus, and y value is what? It is minus 2. Okay, by mistake I think I am writing here minus, it is only plus. You have to do plus here. Suppose it become 3 comma 2, it become 3 comma 2, it is positive value 3 comma 2. So what you do, on the x axis you come on 3, on the y axis you have to move on 2. So what is the value of a is 3 comma 2. Now what is the value of v? V is 4 comma 3. So on the x axis you come on 4, and on the y axis you have to move up to 3. So you have to write here point B, it represents 4 comma 3. Now minus 7 comma 0, come on C point, minus 7, on the x axis you come on 7, and 0 means you did not move. So your answer is C minus 7 comma 0, this point only. Now D point minus 5 comma minus 2. So D point is minus 5 comma minus 2. So on the x axis move minus 5, and on the y axis you have to move minus 2. So what is the value? Value become this one, D minus 5 comma minus 2. Now P 0 comma 0, this origin is known as P 0 comma 0, because it is the origin point, and Q 0 comma minus 2. On the x axis 0 and y on minus 2. So it is 0 comma minus 2. Similarly, you have to plot the point R and S by yourself. It is very easy, no problem. Just draw this two line, horizontal and vertical, on the x axis. Just plot the point 1 2 3 4 like that one, and then find the value. First value you have to find on the x axis, and second value you have to find on the what, y axis. And it is by mistake I think you have to correct this one. It is not 3 comma minus 2, you have to write 3 comma 2. So what is the value of a? On the x axis move up to 3, and on the y axis move up to 2. So you get the point A 3 comma 2. Okay, hope all of you understand this one. I'm writing here, plot this point on the graph paper only with the help of pencil. Okay, now write the quadrant in which each of the following point lie. Now you have to tell on which quadrant this point lie. Now just look at the sign only. Now I am drawing here one diagram also. It is plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus. So sign is what? Plus minus. Plus one lies in what? Fourth quadrant. So you have to write here fourth quadrant. Second one is minus plus. Minus plus is of second quadrant. So you have to write here second quadrant. Minus minus, third quadrant. Plus plus, first quadrant. It is also plus plus, first quadrant. It is also plus minus, fourth quadrant. Minus minus, third quadrant, and minus plus, second quadrant. So whenever you are confused, just draw this diagram right here, plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus, and you have to get your answer. Now come on question number 8. Question number 8 is that taking side of different square as 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, plot the point side comma perimeter. Okay, side is given, you have to find the perimeter, and then you have to plot the point. Okay, so you have to draw the first table. Just write here side, write here perimeter, and here is ordinate, means side comma perimeter. The question is give us na, we have to take the point in the side comma perimeter, means side we have to take on the x axis, and perimeter we have to take on the y axis, or y coordinate, x coordinate. So suppose the side is 2, then what is the perimeter? Perimeter, we know that the perimeter square is 4 into side, so perimeter will become 8. So what is the point will become? 2 comma 8, because x show is side and y show perimeter. Now when the side is 3, then what is the perimeter? Is 4 is a 12, then it will become 3 comma 12. And when the side is 4, then perimeter will become 16 by the formula, then point will become 4 comma 16. And when the side is 5, then the perimeter become 4 into 5, you get 20, then the point will become 5 comma 20. So with the help of side and the formula, you have to find the perimeter, and by after finding the perimeter, you have to find the coordinate by putting first one side and second one is perimeter. So you will get this 5 point. The question is that join this point with the help of ruler. What you have to do? Okay, now first you have to plot the point, and then you have to join with the help of a ruler. Okay, now we don't have a graph now, so I am draw this one on a notebook only, but you have to draw on a graph paper, and at the same place. You did not do this work on a graph copy. You draw this graph on a graph paper, and then paste that paper on your notebook on where you have to solve this question. Okay, there is no need to make a separate copy of a graph paper. Just solve the question on a graph paper and paste your graph paper on your main work copy or school copy. Okay, so writing here I am this one show x axis, this one show y axis. X axis show side of square, y axis show perimeter of square, and you have to write here 1 2 3 4 and 2 4 6 4 8 like that one. Now what is the point? Point is first is 2 comma 8. So on the x axis you move on 2, and on the y-axis you move up to 8. So what will you get? A point 2 comma 8. Now on the second point is 3 comma 12. So on the x-axis come on 3, and on the y-axis you have to move up to 12. And on the third point is 4 comma 16. On the x-axis come on 4, and y-axis you have to move up to 16. And on the 5 point 5 comma 20, on the x-axis come up to 5 and move up to what? 20. So you have to write here a, get a point, b point, c point, d point. Okay, now the coordinate also like that one. Now you have to join with the help of a scale like that one. So what will you get? You will get a straight line. We will get a straight line. So this is your required answer, but you have to solve this question on a graph paper and paste your graph paper on your fair notebook. Given side of a square 1 2 and the okay. In the previous question we have given side and we have to find the perimeter and then plot the point. Similarly in this question you have to give in the side of a square, and instead of perimeter you have to find what? Area. Instead of perimeter you have to find what? Area. So you get one side and first second one is area. So what is the formula of the area of a square is equal to side into side. So you have to solve this question by yourself in homework. Now come on the last question of this exercise. Prepare table of multiple of 2 with 1, 2, 2, 4, etc. Plot this point. Do you get a straight line by joining this point? Okay. First you have to make a table with the help of multiple of 2. Okay. First one take x, second one take y. Y is now the multiple of 2. And the ordinate pair is x comma y. Okay, so first one take 1 2 3 4, and what is the multiple of 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Now what is the point? Point will become 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, and 4 comma 8. Similarly you have to plot this line on a graph by drawing s axis, y axis. What is the first point? First point is 1 comma 2. So come on the x axis 1 and y axis 2, then 2 comma 4, then 2, and then 4, then 3 comma 6, and then 4 comma 8. When you plot this point you will get ABCD. Now just join this line. What will you get? You get a straight line. So you have to write yes, we get a straight line by joining this point. So this exercise is over. Hope all of you understand this one also. So if you have any doubt in any question regarding the question of exercise 15.2, you can ask me now. Thank you.